Hi there, I'm Victor, and today I'm gonna show you some tricks and tips on how to get creative with images in PowerPoint. Let me guide you through.
Well, you might be wondering why. Well, simply, sometimes pictures don't blend like this one. You can make some fun edits and turn them in the same color as your style so they will blend, or in the secondary color of your style and they will blend. But stop, just don't overdo it, because otherwise it's going to turn to some weird form of abstract arts, and you do not want that. Let's go through the effects and the design ideas. We start off by having 3 pictures here, and we're going to use all the 3 pictures of the first 3 slides to show the effects. If we go to picture format, we'll be able to see all the different effects we could use. We start off with the exposure and the light. We can change the light with that. And we can also change saturation at the color part, or change our picture to a completely different color, as you can see at the underside of that panel. If you want custom colors, just go there and select your custom color. We can also click Format Picture. Yes, I know, picture format, format picture, shouldn't it be the same? The Format Picture, and always for everything, the Format menu is way more in depth and allows you to put in numeric values to add to your saturation, or maybe something else that you want on your picture, like an effect or a filter. There's also crazy filters here, artistic filters, and we can also change the transparency to make a cool background, for example. Let's head over to the next one. This one's a landscape, and because it looked like a good poster card, I wanted to check the borders. There's different border setups at the top of the screen that give you a lot of preset options. These preset options can also be used separately. You can change the border, you can select different styles for your border, you can select different styles for the way you place your image, and everything you can use in the border menu can be made up manually. Then there's also something that gives you layout presets for your pictures, and there's just a simple few layouts that we can use in presentations and summaries, etc. Very nice, very easy, and once again one of these many moments where we get so many different presets from PowerPoint. As you can see now, I'm skimming through the format picture, and you can see that every numeric value is to be changed there. Then we go to remove background on our second slide. If I select a picture, then hit remove background, everything that will be removed will turn purple. And I can also select parts if the AI isn't working carefully. So that works very well and very quick. Now we're going to look at how we can combine the design ideas with the effects I just did. I turned that into this. We start off by duplicating the picture and using that background remover. Now we have the car separate from a layer on which I add a soft edged border, and I change the transparency of the layer that's behind. I add some glow to the logos, not too much because otherwise it looks kind of off. Then I add a font. I prefer to add a very race car looking like font that I wanted to give some extra glow and put behind the car. Here is before and there's after. In just 15 minutes I did this. In need of any savvy help or want to know more? Be sure to check the description and subscribe. And remember guys, always stay savvy.